Well, hello everyone, and welcome back to Nana Joe's Kitchen. Today we're going to be making pumpkin spice tamales filled with cream cheese. With the holidays right around the corner, you're going to want to know how to make these. We're going to begin by whipping half a pound of cold butter. I was taught that for every pound of masa, you need half a pound of fat. So if my math is correct, we whipped half a pound of butter, so I need 1 pound of masa for tamales. You're going to incorporate it with the fat, give it a quick little mix in your machine because we want to work smarter, not harder. Now we're going to add a cup of brown sugar and all of our spices. Well, by all of our spices, I mean 1 tablespoon of pumpkin spice and 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. We're also going to do a little pinch of salt and 3 tablespoons of baking powder. 1 tablespoon of vanilla and 1 can of evaporated milk. I mean, it's a pumpkin spice puree, but you also need some pumpkin. So we're going to add 1 cup of pumpkin, not pumpkin filling. Actual pure pumpkin. You're gonna slowly mix this without making a big mess like I did. And by this point, your masa should come together. But I like my masa to be more on the runny side. So I have a cinnamon tea on the side, and I'm just gonna be pouring little by little and mixing until the consistency has reached to where I want it to be. For the filling, I'm gonna use 16 ounces of cream cheese and half a cup of sour cream. Yes, I know. Oh my gosh, sour cream. Just do what I'm telling you, add the sour cream. We're gonna sweeten it up with 3/4 of a cup of evaporated milk, and then we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of vanilla. And we're gonna mix everything together using our little handy dandy machine, and yeah, it will expand. Now we're ready to start assembling all of our tamales. I have already pre-soaked my corn husk leaves in hot water for about 30 minutes. Now there's 2 sides, there's a rough side and then there's the smooth side. You're gonna use the smooth side. And then when spreading the dough for your tamales, you're gonna try to stay in the middle part only. Some people say, oh my gosh, you missed the edges. No, we did not miss the edges. The reason why we leave the edges alone, I will show you in a bit. I'm gonna add my cream cheese filling to the middle, and if you want to and you have some leftover pumpkin puree, you can also put some in there and just swirl it up, and it's gonna be so bomb. But in my case, I didn't have any leftover, so we're just gonna do the cream cheese. The reason why the edges are left alone is so when you close a tamal, there's gonna be no wasted dough, a messy leaf when you open your tamal because everything was in the middle. Like this. Look how pretty. Now, I have a little tiny steamer, but I don't care because it works for little batches of tamales. I put a penny to the bottom of my pot. That way, if the water evaporates, the penny's gonna rattle and it's gonna tell me your pot needs more water. Add some boiling hot water to the bottom, and then I'm gonna stack up my tamales, cover it up, and let this steam for 1 hour. Once my tamales are ready, we're gonna let them rest because they're gonna be super, super hot. And now you can top them with your favorite toppings. I like to do some Sweeten condensed milk. I also leave some of the leftover cream cheese filling, and I add some on top, crumble some pecans or some walnuts. And honestly, it is the best sweet tamal I've ever had. But there you have it, guys, a pumpkin spice cream cheese tamal. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Follow me on all my social media, and I hope you like this recipe. Bye!